Good morning, everyone. Today we'll be starting off with a test on probability, a short test based on what has been taught entire week. We'll be having question number 1, 2, 3. Three questions will be given of maximum of 4 minutes. It's 12 minutes time at max. Total marks will be, this will be of 2, this is 3 and this is 4 questions. I missed out on that. 4 into 4, 16 minutes will be provided to you at max. 16 minutes will be provided to you at max, and the marks will be, this will be 2.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning. 2 and this will be of 8 questions, 4 marks.
Sir, to the marks distribution.
Yeah. 10 marks test. Okay? Your time starts now. So after the end, I'll be giving you the solutions. You'll just verify it with yourself and you'll tell me that how much marks did you get, and then you'll submit your assignment. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Clear? Yes or no? Vivek,
Sir, how many? 10 minutes?
10 marks, 16 minutes maximum. Okay? So I'll pause the video for now. Chalo, start doing it. Okay, so I hope people have done it. All the numericals. First tell me, Tej, how many numericals have you done?
Sir, all 4, but not 4 का 8.
4 का
Last का पूरा
4 का part 8. Vivek, same problem?
sir.
Okay, then I'll start discussing these things. A number 1 to 4. This is from NCERT exercise 16.1, and we had done this in, I'd given you this homework. So what do you think? The slip is put in a thoroughly mixed and 2 slips are picked at random, one after another without replacement. Describe the sample space. What will be the sample space? First you write let S be the sample space. So it can be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, or 2, 1, 2, 2, 4.
4, 2,
Don't think of putting 2, 2. ठीक है ना? There is only one paper written 2. So you can be picking up 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, or 4, 1, 4, 2 and 4, 3. Only this is the sample space required. If you have got this answer, good.
Yes, sir.
Everybody has this answer. Okay, very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Now question number 2. What is this? Rolling a die and then tossing a coin once if the number is even. If the number is odd, the coin is tossed twice. Oh, very nice. So chalo, what will be the answer this?
Sir, 2h, 2t, 4h, 4t, 6h, 6k. After that, it has in odd number
Good eyes, sir.
gone twice. So 1hh, 1hg.
The total how many sample spaces will you get? How many elements will be there in the sample space? When you have a odd, then it can be head, or
Head.
if it's 1, it can be head or tails. Then again for 1 you will do tail head, then 1 के लिए tail. Clear? Similarly you will do it for 2, 3. Similarly you will do it for 5. So इसके लिए we will be having 4, 4, 4, 12, and this is how much? 16, 17, 18. Total 18 spaces.
Yeah.
Everybody has this answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Vivek?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Question number 3. A coin is tossed. If it shows tail, we'll draw a ball from the box which has 2 reds and 3 black balls. So coin is tossed. If it shows tail, So you'll let, this is question number
Red ball
3.
be R1 and
Yeah, red ball be R1 and R2, and then black ball be,
Black ball to B1, B2, B2.
chalo good. Then tails जब आएगा then will be picking up,
Tails TR1,
हाँ,
TR2,
TR1, TR2,
T1,
R2, black 1, black 2, black 3.
हाँ चलो that's very good.
H1, H2, H3, H4,
after
H5,
that H1, H2, H3, H4, H5.
थांबा थांबा थांबा. अब जब head आएगा then we'll throw a die. बस H1 dot 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 till H6. How many events? 5 and 6. 11.
Yes, sir.
Very good. अरे ए बी सी अपना है, ठीक है ना. तो what will be A? Sample space I'll not be writing for you. 1 1, you know what's the sample space. 1 2, 36 total sample space.
Yes, 66.
So A will be how much? Even number on the first die. मतलब sorry, 2 1, 2 2 till 2 comma 6, then 4 comma 1, 4 comma 6, 6 comma 1.
Yes, 6,6.
This is our A. Now B, odd number on the first die. 1 1,
1, 6.
1 comma
1,
2,
3 and 5.
1 6, and यहाँ पे 3 and 5, 5 comma 1 and 5 comma 6. Thick, 18 elements, 18 elements. What will we see now?
Sir, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4. After that 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2.
Number less than equals to 5. So 1 comma 1,
2 and 2 comma 1.
2 1, 1 2, 3 2, 2 3, 2 2. Any other elements? 4 1,
Sir, 10
1,
और कुछ 10 elements, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What else?
1 comma 3.
Oh हाँ, 1 comma 3 भी left out. Good. And 3 comma 1. Tick. Now A dash will be, I'll just write the answers. A dash will be B. ठीक है? And not of B, this is the first part. Not of B will be A.
Out of this A.
फिर A और B. Total sample space. Yes or no? Total sample space ना A और B. A and B क्या होगा? Null. A minus C will be, you subtract all the elements of C from A. Yes or no? B or C means combine B and C, any all the elements.
And then total elements of B and C.
यहाँ पे बस extra element will be coming out here is this one and this one, this, अरे wait, this one and this one, extra elements. Okay, B and C means दोनों में whatever is common, all the elements, this one, this one, this one, this and this and this, जो सर्कल किया अभी मैंने, ऑड एलिमेंट्स जो इसमें जो कॉमन था. अब ये A एंड B डैश एंड C डैश, B डैश आपने निकाला था. I'll give you a short hint about this. A intersection B dash. B dash is how much A dash na? So A intersection A will be how much A? A intersection C dash you have to find out. Bas, nothing else. Clear? Understood this part?
Plus B dash क्या?
B dash is our A na? देख, B dash has come A. तो A intersection A will be how much? A no? A intersection A is A. A intersection C dash निकालना, बस that's it. ठीक है? Now submit your assignment. That's it for today's class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. I have another class. Thank you. Bye bye.